Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I'm Jose. Shelly's upstairs, still sleeping. It is Saturday, May the 3rd, 2025, the year of our Lord. And I'm here it's almost 9 o'clock, a minute till 9. And I'm here to use my black streak remover to clean my RV up of all those unsightly black marks that's made by water minerals in the water. As you can, if you ever look at your RV, it's always near an edge where water drips down, and it drips down, and then the dirt from the water stays on the RV, and that's how it makes those black streaks. But you can't really take them off. I cleaned the RV yesterday, and it did clean a lot of it off, but you can still see this black streaks. This right here would remove the rest of that. So wash it first, which I did yesterday, and then use this to remove the rest, the hard stains that comes out. Like right around the camera, like in the back, you can tell. I'm gonna take some pictures, some before and after pictures, so you guys can see. It drips, and then you can see black streaks coming down around the camera down. So you should do this maybe at least once a year, but I would do it twice a year. You need to go find some towels or an old t-shirt or something. My microfiber towels I can't find. As you can see, I have this big mess in my garage. So without further ado, let's knock this out. Bang. Found some towels. There's all the black streaks right there. I think the dirt gets caught on the decals, and then it slowly comes down. That's why the streaks come. There's one right there. And there's a whole bunch on this side. Big streak right there from the end of the rain spout. This side doesn't look too bad. I think because the awning blocks the rain, so I don't think it. Because it's really none on that side. It's a few between the shower and the water connection. This side don't look too bad either, but that's where the rear camera is. See the streaks there, and the streaks on the logo. But this part cleaned up pretty good. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. That side looks like it cleaned up good. The slide doesn't look too bad. And then around this window, there's a little bit. A streak right there. I gotta get out. This side don't look too bad. Right here. Down there a little bit. The sides don't look too bad, it's just the front. So, let me knock this out.
To the starry nights, we'll share our stories through laughs and sighs. Campground reviews, those cozy delights. On this road together, everything feels right.
got all that black streak out. The only way you can see the black streak is here in the decal. If for some reason it's harder to get it off this white, because that white is part of the decal. It's not this. It's hard to get off there for some reason. So I'm gonna have to get, maybe I'm gonna get some rubbing alcohol a little bit. I don't want to ruin my decal, but look at that. No black streak at all. And if you come over here, I didn't do this side yet. Look at that. Compare that side to the side I just did. And let me tell you, it's a big difference. Let me do the rest.
Underneath the sun we shine so bright, washing dreams away all day and night. With bubbles and laughter we make it right. At the car wash, everything's inside. Come on, feel that rhythm, groove along. This is our place where we belong. Work it, we're shining bright. The car wash, the on the night.
I get up here too. I should have started up there, but
Feel the beat, it's a sweet delight. Keep it moving, everything's alright. Fingers in the suds, we're making way. Turning hard work into moments that we crave. A smile on our faces, we're feeling brave. At the car wash, every car's a stage. Trying to flow, let the engines roar. At the car wash, we always want more. Work it, we're shining bright. At the car wash, we own the night. Feel the beat, it's a sweet delight. Keep it moving, everything's alright. So come and join us, don't be shy. At the car wash,
I don't know if you can see it. There's no black streaks. Nice. Looks real nice. And that's how the windshield looks with the Velcro on it. Doesn't look too bad. And that cover off.
The sun shines so bright, washing dreams away all day and night. With bubbles and laughter, we make it right. At the car wash, everything's in sight. Come on, feel that rhythm, move along. This is our place where we belong. Work it, shining bright. At the car wash, we own the night. Feel the beat, it's a sweet delight. Keep it moving, everything's alright.
All the black marks from the door and down here are gone.
Smile on our faces, we're feeling great.
And around here there was some black marks. And below the water would gather here and come down. There's no black marks there. Same over here, no black marks. I did forget to get on top of here. I can see it. I can see a streak or something up there. Forgot my window was open. Hoping to get too wet in there. The one thing I'm going to do is just spot check. That was the bad part. And the front. And the front. The side where the play side where you have all the fun didn't have too many streaks. And this side right here didn't have too many streaks on it. The only thing I got to do is the camera up there. Got some streaks. That's about it. I'm not going to do the whole trailer. What you can do when you get to the campsite and you got a little bit of time in your hand, spot check your trailer, get a bucket. So I'll do this and this, like maybe at the campsite, like I was saying, and you have some time, you get a bucket You spray it on, use a sponge or a paper towel to wipe it. Wait about a minute, wipe it, and then use a sponge, a clear water sponge, just to rinse it off. And you can spot check your camper that way. Once you do it in the beginning, because it's gonna come again. You know.
Yeah, we grinding under sun, no time to stall. Making that dough at the car wash, we on the bar. Dreams ain't lofty, but we shine like chrome. Meet the legends while we clean, yeah, accept it like home. Car wash, hustle with style. Everyone here ain't just passing a mile. Yeah. At the car wash, where dreams ignite. We stand tall, work hard, feeling right. With every scrub, we chase that light. At the car wash, we own the night. Engine roars and I'm down on my knees with soap suds on my hands.
I don't know if you can see that, but those streaks are gone.
Life to the grind. A crew like this you won't ever find. Wash away the stress, let's vibe.
No streaks.
Together we rise, feeling that drive.
Looks brand new. Oh, you know. There's nice pretty white in the back. And then the front looks outstanding. I like the windshield. And like I said, I don't mind that Velcro around because I know it's there to protect the windshield. You can't see the Velcro from the inside. You can see it from the outside if you're close, but it doesn't look too bad. It don't look bad at all. And the glue is holding up. Little piece right here that came out. Let's take a little glue. No, you know what? It has glue in there. It just bubbled. Oh no, it looks like there's water going in there. I might have to seal that a little bit. I don't see any other troubles. And all the black streaks are gone. Nice. Alright, that was my first task of the day, getting some black streaks out. And like I said before, I didn't go through the whole trailer. I am going to keep some of that spray and use it when I go out to my first camping trip or my second, and I see another black streak. I can spray it, leave it on for a minute, wipe it off, clean the black streak off, and then use clean water to get the rest of that spray off. So that's all I have, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey, I decided to end this video with just the black streak removal, and I'll do the upstairs baseboard video maybe tomorrow. So hope you liked the video. I went out to take some more pictures. There's going to be a lot of before and after pictures at the end. So without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
I wanna be your Iron Man, I'll shield your heart. I'll be your Thor, striking light from the dark. Like Captain America, I'll stand strong and true. Yeah, when it gets tough, I'll always save you. With a heart of steel, I'll always protect. My love for you is what I'll project. Fighting through darkness, we'll light up the way. Just take my hand, together we'll slay. Through every battle, our love won't hide. I wanna be your Iron Man, I'll shield your heart. I'll be your Thor, striking light from the dark. Like Captain America,
shine as the world